Why is gold so weak? And I love gold. I love XAUUSD. Today I choose to wear gold. The truth is that gold is not an asset for new traders. For people who are not just trying to manage the market, if you know you're a new trader, you want to become profitable, then starting with gold is a very big mistake. That's just the truth. Gold is an asset that a lot of people trade it a lot, and the volatility is very high. As a result of this, one mistake is cutting the money very high. As a newbie trader, I advise you not to start with gold. Yes, you can start with other assets, but not XAUUSD. Now, XAUUSD is for people who has this shock absorbance, have high risk tolerance. So gold is not for people who are just trying to test the market. If you know you're a newbie trader, you want to become a profitable trader, do not start from gold. You can start from other assets. Concentrate on currency pair. 90% of people who lose money in trading forex is as a result of gold. If you have ever lost money, or if you agree with this with me, go to the comment section and type I agree. 90% of newbie traders who lost money is as a result of trading gold. So if you want to become a profitable forex trader, I will advise you to start with other currency pairs. You can concentrate on AUUSD, is very friendly. GBP USD is very friendly. Most of these currency pairs like this are very friendly. You can start with this one. By the time you make a good capital, and you have risk tolerance, you have enough to waste, you have enough to throw off, then you can go to gold. Sincerely speaking, I trade gold. Honestly speaking, if you have been following me, have been following my setup, you see that most of my setup goes out for gold. Do you know why? I understand it. That's just nothing but the truth. Now, you cannot joke with gold the way you joke with other currency pairs. So I personally advise all newbie traders to start with currency pairs while you're growing your strength, your shock absorbance to tolerate gold. If you don't have enough capital, let's for example you have something like $100, why go to gold? It's like you're going to waste it. Trading requires capital. So if you're going to become a profitable forex trader, then think of yourself as an investor. Then at what level can you invest? It is not all companies you need to invest, because if your capital is not enough for you to go to the safe end, which gold is, why not start with small? So if you're trading AUUSD, you're going to make small profit, and you're going to stay long enough in the market to start winning. This is actually going to encourage you to make small profit, withdraw the small profit, and eat that small profit, rather than jumping into the one that you just one month it will just wipe out everything. Trust me, check out 90% of those who have lost money in the forex market as a result of gold. If you agree with me, type I agree in the comment section.